Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how to remove and replace these front hood struts or these hood holders. This video should apply to second generation of Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so to remove these hood struts, all you will need is like a small flat screwdriver, which you will have to insert just behind this small, you see, like metal bracket to pry it out, because this is what's holding this strut in place. You will see everything once I remove it. So you want to get under here, okay, just like that, and you want to pry it out, you want to remove it. And once you remove it, okay, you see how it looks. This strut should be completely removable, you see, because it's only being attached to this ball. That's how you actually hold it, you see. And that's everything there is to it. I'll show you the bottom piece as well. You see it's the same. There is this metal bracket. You just want to pry it out, and once you pry it out, you just want to remove the strut from that mounting ball, and once you do that, you can completely remove the strut and install the new one. Now, I will not be doing this because my strut is perfectly fine. I'm just using this vehicle to demonstrate what has to be done. But this is also a small flat screwdriver or anything similar, and just pry out those brackets, and you should be good to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.